Today's video is on the top 3 best dual fuel generators. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. Dual Fuel Portable Generator. Remember the days when you didn't have to worry about power outages? With the WN 4750 watt dual fuel electric start generator, those days are here again. Whether you need it for emergency backup or powering up at the campground, this generator gives you the convenience of switching between gasoline and propane. With just a turn of the dial, you can choose your fuel source. Gasoline provides 4,750 surge watts and 3,800 running watts, while propane delivers 4,350 surge watts and 3,500 running watts. No hassle, just reliable power when you need it. This generator isn't just powerful, it's incredibly versatile. It easily switches voltage from 120 volts to 240 volts. Making it perfect for use with transfer switches during emergencies. The electric start feature gets the powerful 224cc 4-stroke OHV engine going with a simple key turn, eliminating the need for pulling any cords. Plus, it operates with a noise rating of 69 dBA, making it quieter than your average office, so you won't have to worry about excessive noise while running. With its large 4-gallon gas tank, it provides up to 11 hours of runtime at half load. That means you can keep powering your essentials longer without having to stop and refuel constantly. Just fill the tank with up to 4 gallons of gasoline and you're good to go for those extended power outages or camping trips. It also comes with everything you need to get started: a bottle of oil, a wheel and handle kit for easy transportation, and a 47-inch LPG hose, so you can connect to a propane tank immediately. And don't forget, this generator is backed by a 2-year warranty, so you're covered in case of any issues. Whether you're powering your lights, refrigerator, sump pump, or power tools, this generator can handle it all. Its 224cc engine provides a reliable 240 volts of power, and it's both CARB and EPI compliant, making it environmentally friendly. Rugged enough to handle tough job sites, but compact enough for easy storage, this generator is the perfect backup solution for any situation. When the power goes out, simply plug your transfer switch into the NEMA 30 amp twist lock and you'll have electricity in no time. And because this is a WEN product, you're backed by a nationwide network of skilled service technicians and a friendly customer support team. Next time the lights go out, you can rest easy, knowing that you've got the power to keep things running smoothly. Number 2, best overall Wesinghouse Dual Fuel Generator. Looking for a generator that's versatile, powerful, and easy to use? The Westinghouse WGN 5300 DFCV Portable Generator might be just what you need. This generator is designed to keep you powered up, whether you're on the road with your RV or dealing with a power outage at home. It offers dual fuel capability, meaning it can run on either gasoline or propane, giving you flexibility depending on the situation. On gasoline, it delivers 5,300 running watts and 6,500 peak watts. When running on propane, it provides 4,800 running watts and 5,800 peak watts, ensuring you have the power to keep everything running smoothly. The Wesinghouse Dual Fuel Generator can run for up to 14.5 hours on a full 4.7 gallon fuel tank, thanks to its highly efficient 274cc 4-stroke OHV engine. Built for durability, this engine features a long-lasting cast iron sleeve and additional safety features like automatic low oil shutdown and a carbon monoxide sensor. A built-in fuel gauge allows you to easily check fuel levels, so you know when it's time to refuel. For added convenience, this generator comes with multiple outlets, including an RV Ready TT30R 30 amp outlet, a household duplex receptacle, and a transfer switch ready L1430R 30 amp outlet. Each outlet is covered with rubber caps for safety. To make things even easier, the Wesinghouse Dual Fuel Generator arrives with everything you need to get started right out of the box. You'll receive oil, an oil funnel, a propane hose, a toolkit, and a detailed user manual. Minimal assembly is required, making it plug and play. The sturdy wheels and hardened steel frame ensure it's easy to move wherever you need it, whether at home or on the go. One of the key features of this generator is its low noise level. Rated at 68 decibels, dBA, it operates at a volume comparable to that of a normal conversation, making it a great option if you're concerned about noise disturbance, whether you're camping or using it at home. Westinghouse didn't overlook the safety and reliability of this generator. All of their portable generators undergo functional testing at the factory, so there may be a slight residual oil or fuel odor when you unbox it. However, that simply means it's been pre-tested and is ready for use. It's also EPA compliant, so you can rest easy, knowing it meets environmental standards. Plus, it comes backed by a 3-year limited warranty that covers service, labor, and parts, along with lifetime technical support. Westinghouse's nationwide customer service network ensures that help is never far away when you need it. Overall, the Westinghouse WGN 5300 DFCV is a rugged, dependable generator with dual fuel capabilities that makes it perfect for use at home, on the road, or during emergencies. Number 1. Our pick, Genmax Portable Generator. Looking for a reliable generator that gives you plenty of options? This dual fuel generator delivers a powerful 458 cubic centimeter 4-stroke OHV engine. It produces up to 9,000 peak watts and 7,600 running watts, making it a powerhouse for all kinds of needs. With a 6.9-gallon fuel tank, you can run this generator on either gas or propane, giving you the flexibility to choose the fuel that works best for your situation. One of the best features is how easy it is to carry and use. It comes with a strong steel handle and 2 rolling wheels, making it simple to move around wherever you need it. Plus, the 5-in-1 digital data center keeps you informed about all the essential details, including hours of use, voltage, load levels, gas fuel levels, and frequency. And if you love convenience, you'll appreciate the remote start feature with a key fob, allowing you to start it up from a distance without any hassle. You might be worried about noise, but there's no need to be. This generator is designed to be extremely quiet, producing as little as 62 decibels of sound at just 25% load from a distance of 23 feet. Not only is it quiet, but it's also highly fuel efficient thanks to its low idle mode, which ensures you get the most out of your fuel with every use. Safety is a top priority, and this generator has you covered with its built-in CO detect feature. If it senses unsafe levels of carbon monoxide, it will automatically shut down to keep you and your family safe from harm. If you ever need even more power, this generator has parallel capability, which allows you to connect 2 GM 9000 IED inverters using a parallel cord. This effectively doubles your power to 18,000 peak watts and 15,200 running watts. You'll need to purchase the parallel kit separately. Starting and stopping the generator is also incredibly easy, thanks to the push-button electric start system. The engine's automatic choke ensures that with just one push of a button, you're good to go. Switching between gasoline and propane has never been easier. An intuitive dial on the control panel allows you to seamlessly switch between the 2 fuel sources, even while the generator is running. This means you can keep things going without interruption. With its combination of power, versatility, and user-friendly features, this generator is perfect for any situation. From emergency home power to job site use, or a weekend in the great outdoors with your RV. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.